Hi everyone, welcome back to Paul's Q. I got something good for you guys today. Something new to open up. We're gonna get it open, unbox it, show you guys what we're looking at, then we'll put it together. Might do that on another video, but we'll see. Let's take a look at what we're working with here. So here we are in the backyard. Got our little setup. Pit boss under there. I just don't have it uncovered right now. And look, something new. There we are. Kamado Joe, Kettle Joe. Kettle grill, Kamado benefits. There you go, 22-inch stainless steel. Cooking surface, that's good. There's a look at the box. I was at Dixon Barbecue yesterday in their Vaughan location, and I picked this up. So let's get going, unboxing this thing. Let's open it up. First thing you're gonna need, box cutter. Get unboxing this. Should be good. Let's get it open. See what we got in here. I'm not sure, buddy. Cardboard. It's always good. There we are. We got cooking grates right on top. Let me get you guys in here. You can have a little look-see. Maybe better than what's there. Now you guys can see okay inside of the box for now. There we are. Cooking grates. We'll set them off over there. Here's our diffuser plate. It looks like to me. We'll set that off over to there. We got a box in the box. Probably hardware. Put it together. I'm just going to set that off to the side over here for now. And then it looks to me as if we have, not sure if this is the bottom or the top. No, this is the top. There we are. There's where the top is. Okay, so that's the top dome. Let's take this styrofoam out as well. So we got something to rest it in, instead of just resting it right on the deck. Oh, that's okay. It's sitting on top where the vent goes. That didn't work out as planned. Not the end of the world. Next, we got more styrofoam. Then we have the base right here. Let's lift him up and out of here. There's the base. The base has some weight to it, so I'm assuming the ceramic must be inside of there somewhere. Next we have the side shelves on the side of the box. There's one side shelf. Set that off there onto the side. There's another side shelf over here. We'll get that out. Set that off to the side. This is packaged nicely, I must say. And we got 1 and 2, which I'm not sure what those are yet. We'll figure that out later. Then we got the legs and the base, where it sits on. Actually, nope, that's not the base. That's the slow roller down there in the box. So we got 4 legs. We got 2 here, 2 more in the box. I'll be pulling out in a second. There's the other 2, so that makes 4 legs, which is good. That's what you need. 4 legs. And we got here, wedged in some styrofoam. Here it comes. This is the slow roller. Get that out of the box there too. Okay, let me get all the pieces put together and show you guys what we have here. And there's a look-see of everything that you should have in your box when you buy it. Two legs, 4 legs. Very good. Cooking grates, diffuser plate, box 1, box 2. Not sure what's in there. Could be wheels for this guy, possibly, for the legs. Box there, which probably has the hardware to put this thing together. 2 shelves. Then you got your slow roller down the bottom, your midsection here, and your lid up here. Plain and simple. That's the box. That's how it looks. That's how it looks in the box, just like that. You saw these pieces inside. The legs were 1, 2, 3, 4 on the corners. Side shelf here, side shelf there. The boxes were packed in amongst everything too. Look at that. All ready to go. Well, that's unboxing this thing. If you guys like this one, hit the subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Stay tuned. You'll see how we put it together on the next one. Bye.